Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got a package from Amazon. Let's get into it. Today's package is an item that's been long overdue. I already opened it because they packaged another item in here that I needed to get out a couple days ago, and I opened it up. So it's already opened up, and here it is. It is a Donnerton speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker. It is a 20 watt portable speaker. It's supposed to have some nice bass. It is waterproof. The reason I wanted to get a waterproof speaker is because I plan to use this around the pool, and then in the future, once there's no more pandemic, I'd hopefully be able to bring it to the beach even. But for now, just having it around the pool, not worried about it getting wet or something like that if it gets splashed. That's why I went with waterproof. Let's go over some of the details before I open it. Right here, you can see some of the features of this Bluetooth speaker. It's got a lithium-ion battery, so it should have a nice longer charge time. Like I said, it's waterproof. It's long range. I think it says it's good for about 33 feet, and the battery life is about 24 hours, they claim. It pairs with all different types of devices, not just with cell phones, which is probably what I'm going to use it for mostly, but it can pair with laptops as well that are Bluetooth enabled, or even PCs that have Bluetooth connectivity. And then, yeah, so let's get into it. Let's open this thing up. If you're interested, if you're a nerd for how it works and the technical side of things, here's the information on it, all the specs and stuff. That stuff doesn't really mean a whole lot to me, but to some of you, I know that this is like the holy grail of being able to tell if this is a good speaker or not. So yeah, as I open it, this speaker was a prime item. It came in a couple days. It was pretty quick. Nice slide open box. And yeah, it came pretty quick. It was here in a couple days, and it was $36.99. Not a bad price. There are some, Bose makes a really nice pair. Very expensive, more expensive than $36. But yeah, I wanted this one up again, like I said, because it was waterproof. Here, a little box here. My guess is this comes with the charging cable, which my guess would be correct. Inside this little white box is a USB charging cable. Looks like it's just USB to micro USB. There's also a little thing here that you could attach it to, maybe. I don't know why you'd want to hang it, if you wanted to hang it. And there's also an auxiliary cable, auxiliary to auxiliary. So that was all in there. Oh, and a carabiner. So that all came in there as extras. Here's the speaker itself. It's in a nice little plastic bag. Slides out. It's got a rugged feel, like it's got a rubberized outside case over it. So that's nice. So if it gets banged around a little bit, it's got some protection. It's not going to actually damage the speaker first because it's got this rubberized case. Right here, it also has a little manual. I can get it out. We have a manual that comes with it, which is always nice in case you have any questions about how it runs. But it should be pretty straightforward. On the back side here, a little cover, a rubberized cover, protects where you can charge, where you can plug in. You actually have your auxiliary, you have your charging port, and it also has a USB here for DC out. Interesting. This guard here, it doesn't feel that waterproof, but okay, you got to push it in. I didn't realize that. You push it in, and then it kind of creates a little seal on the bottom, and that's where it becomes waterproof. So you want to make sure if you're going to be splashing around it that you have that pushed in all the way right there. And then on the front side here, you can see where you have the on-off. You have the skipping songs volume on your device, and you also have a little spot where I guess this thing can hang on. You could maybe attach it to a bag or something like that if you wanted to with the carabiner. I probably won't really do that too much, but I might put it on there just anyway, just because. So now I'm gonna get this thing powered up, and I'm gonna use an old cell phone that I have to try to test how it works. All right, so what I did was I turned it on. It made a noise that indicated that it was on. Then I grabbed the old cell phone that I'm gonna be using here, and I went to the Bluetooth settings, made sure Bluetooth was on, and right away it showed this device. It called it BT speaker for Bluetooth speaker. I hit it, it connected within seconds. This made a confirmation noise that it connected. And now what I've done is gone to YouTube, and I'm just going to see how it sounds playing a song. I picked a song, and let's see how it sounds.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries.
Well, there you go. There's a good little play. I'm not going to play the whole song. It's got some pinginess. It's got some, you know, it's not the best. I've had a friend who has, like I said before, a Bose. It was expensive, and it sounds very clear. This one, it sounds like it maybe strains a little bit, but the price comparison is quite different. This wouldn't drive me that crazy if I was listening to my music around the pool or outside or at the beach, and this is the way it sounds. It would be fine. It is a waterproof speaker, so typically those have a sound that's a little different anyways, because of the way they're designed. So for $36.99, I think it's a good buy. But if you are a person that's looking for crystal clear audio from a Bluetooth speaker, this might not be the best option for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and continue to use this product. And if I notice that there's any changes in how I feel, what I'll do is I'll put up another video explaining what happened. So yeah, I think that's it. So what I'll say now is, yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to put up new stuff all the time. We're trying to focus a little bit more. Bargain Bounty Hunter, for a while we were just kind of reviewing anything that we purchased. Now we're starting to kind of focus around items that can be used around the home, kitchen items, and then since I'm a big geek, obviously items that are geeky. And since we have a little one at home, we've been focusing and doing some stuff with kid items as well. So they're kind of focusing there. I also like watches and sunglasses, so I do some of those as well. But be sure to subscribe because, like I said, we'll have more stuff coming. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your summer and stay safe.